feel both.
Suck at drawings worse than I do. Is that why you looked at all the fish?
No, this is what I'm studying right now. See, at the rate we're going, there may not be any fish left in 50 years.
Depressing?
Especially if you're a fish.
Why do you study it? What is it?
Sustainability.
Why do you study it?
Oh, you're lying.
Or maybe I like
You're lying.
You can always
Eat it. Oh my goodness, he's a lion. Look at that belly. Look at your belly.
to make that life. I'd rather find the fish.
You really think you can?
Well, I'll start with the sardines and...
Hi, Bubby.
Seriously, do you think you can make any difference?
Seriously.
Hi, baby. What you got? What you got?
You know that being inspired
I love you.
people irritated.
I've noticed that. It's one of the few perks of the job.
Guys, I love you. I love you. Good job. Sit. Sit. High five. High five. Good girl. Other one. Good girl. Down. Good girl.
And the women in the directory in
Very good relationship.
Listen.
And how about
No. Listen.
Do you care?
I'm curious.
Well, I'm working on it.
Are you going to
Good girl. You want a treat? You want a treat? What you got? What you got? Hi, Kiki. Hi, Meow Meow. Oh, happy baby. You napping. When you lay like this, you look fat. Meow. Let's see what happens when I get some cheese out. Chicken will yell. Let's see. All the kids will come running. Cheese. Chicken. Okay, sit. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. No. No. Don't move. No. Head down. Don't move. Don't. No. Sky, don't move. Stop. Oh, you didn't do it. What?
There's no more me and no more you. There's only us.
What? Come on.
I'm pretty good. You're really good.
You say you're spirit, mind, and body?
That ain't known. What's right?
That's enough, you crazy little baby.
Yeah. And I find myself feeling in the dark, trying to find you, and I know that you're here and,
What?
and not here.
No more cheese.
The best that we may ever do.
Bye-bye.